Live.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Izetta F. Bright is presiding. While court is in session, please adhere to all proper courtroom decorum. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. These matters are scheduled today for an arraignment this afternoon. Mr. Johnson, would you enter your appearance for the record?
Yes, of course. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P 78121, appearing on behalf and with those clients and individuals who are appearing via Zoom who do not have an attorney today.
Thank you. And did we have another attorney that had appeared?
Yes, Your Honor. It's me.
Okay, I need you to identify yourself, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Haitham Al-Qudsi, P number 68565. On behalf of the defendant, he's here in my office. His last name is Al-Awdi, A-L-W-A-D-I.
Okay, and could you spell your last name for me, Counsel?
Yes, E-L-K-O-D-S-S-I.
And one more time, pronounce it.
Al-Qudsi.
El-Qudsi, Attorney El-Qudsi. Okay, are you ready to proceed with arraignment on your, with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is case number SP 104-06801. The charge is disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment, and there is also three other matters, SP 107-85391, count 1, 2, and 3. There are civil infractions that I take was issued at the time that the misdemeanor was issued that is before the court today. Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. My client will plead not guilty, Your Honor.
The court will enter a plea of not guilty as to the misdemeanor disorderly conduct. And are you requesting a pretrial date?
Yes, please.
We will set this matter for pretrial for April 19th, 2021 at 9:00 a.m. And there was no bond posted, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so going to release Mr. Awadi on a personal bond. That means no money is being posted to leave. Mr. Awadi, you understand that you must appear at your next court appearance or a warrant would be issued for your arrest.
He said yes.
You understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Counsel, you are free to leave.
Have a nice day. Thank you, Your Honor.
You too, sir. All right, everyone else on the call is, you have spoken to Attorney Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe there was one gentleman, it looks like he was just arriving, maybe
Okay.
Mr. Taylor, but everyone else has been spoken to.
Okay, Mr.
So Elijah Taylor.
Elijah Taylor, sir? Is that your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're just checking in, is that correct?
Yeah, my phone had died. I had to charge it.
Okay, well, we just needed to include you in this arraignment. Okay, let me just make sure I have everyone. Mr. I'm sorry, Attorney Johnson, could you just slowly give me the names of everyone that you have spoken to? So,
Okay, Your Honor. Sherry Allen.
what last name was?
Allen, A-L-L-E-N.
Allen. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Kelvin Thomas.
Thomas, let me find it. Kelvin.
K-E-L.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Carmaya
Next.
Andrews, last name is Andrews.
Okay, let me find. Okay, I got that.
Okay, next is Angulo, I believe, Angulo, Angulo.
Okay, got it.
Last name is Ahmed, first name Mohammed, Ahmed.
A-H.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Honor.
I see. I have it. Okay.
Okay, and that's everyone I have. And like I said, Mr. Taylor just joined.
Was anyone else that's on? Everyone can unmute themselves. Excuse me. Was there anyone else whose name was not called by Attorney Johnson that's on this call? Anyone else? Okay, everyone. This is the date and time set for an arraignment, so I am going to call every name that has been given to me and tell you what your charge is. And at that time, after that, I will enter a plea of not guilty for everyone and give you your pretrial date. I think you may have had it already, but I'm going to put it on the record as to the date. So I'm going to start at this time. So please, everyone, listen. Mohammed Ahmad, you can respond to your name. Mohammed Ahmad.
Yes, Your Honor.
The charge is, oh, this is case number SP 111-37261. The charge is operating motor vehicle with alcohol in a motor vehicle. Then there is Mr. Mohammed Awadi.
He was represented by the other attorney.
Oh,
He was
Yes.
dismissed.
thank you. We didn't
But
know.
Your Honor, I wasn't operating the vehicle. I was a
Hold on,
passenger.
hold on, sir. Hold on. We're not. Okay. Hold on. I will, Mr. Ahmad, let me restate the charge then. This is SP 111-37261. This is alcohol, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. That's the charge. So I'm not getting into the facts today. You can address that at a later date. This is just the arraignment. I have to advise you of the charge. So it's open alcohol in a motor vehicle. That
Yes,
is
Your
the
Honor.
charge. Okay. Thank you. Then there is Sherry Allen or Cherie, or
Yes.
is it Sherry
It's
Allen?
Sherry.
Okay, this is SP 111-305-32. The charge is operating an unregistered motor vehicle. And count 3 is no insurance on the motor vehicle. There's also, those are misdemeanors set for arraignment today. And then there's also issued at the same time, count 1, a civil infraction for no plates motor vehicle. Next we have, pardon me? I'm just calling all the cases first and then we will continue.
Okay.
Carmaya Andrews.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, Judge.
how do you pronounce your first name?
Carmia.
Carmia, I apologize. Carmia Andrews. This is V120-60920. Charge is no dog license. There's also V120611020, no dog license. V120611120, failure to vaccinate dog. V120612220, failure to vaccinate dog. V120611320, no dog restraint. There is Eduardo Angulo, and Angulo.
Yes,
Sir, can you
yes.
pronounce your name for me?
Eduardo
Last name.
Angulo.
Angulo. This
Yeah.
is SP 107-73801. Strike that. SP 111-07951. The charge is operating the motor vehicle with no insurance. Misdemeanor set for arraignment today, and then there are two other matters issued at the same time, civil infractions for disregarding a red signal and for improper equipment. SP 1077381 count 1 and 2. Next, I have Elijah Taylor. Identify, just speak up, sir, so that we know that you're on.
Yeah, Elijah Taylor.
Okay, thank you. SP 110-22861. The charge is driving while license suspended. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle, driver. Count 3, false information given to a police officer. Those are misdemeanors scheduled for arraignment today. There also was issued civil infractions, SP 1103458, count 1, no proof of insurance, count 2, no proof of registration, count 3, blockading traffic. Okay, and then there is Kelvin, Kelvin Thomas. Identify yourself, please. Your name for the record, sir? Kelvin Thomas, please speak up. I can't hear you. Your name.
Unmute yourself. Your phone is muted, Mr. Thomas.
Kelvin Thomas, sir? Did he just disconnect himself? Okay. Mr. Thomas, can you hear me? I'm not hearing you, sir. You must be on mute. Mr. Thomas? Okay, well, we're going to proceed. Mr. Thomas, you need to unmute yourself so that I can make sure we have given you everything.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I just unmuted it.
Okay, your name for the record, sir.
Kelvin Thomas.
This is case number SP 109-54781. The charge is no operator's license on person while operating a motor vehicle. Misdemeanor set for arraignment today. Also, there's SP 109-54771, a civil infraction for accident. Now you're gonna have to mute yourself.
Your Honor, there was no accident.
Wait.
It was just.
Well, hold on, sir. Hold on. Miss Edwards, do you have his ticket in front of you?
It was just for a tail light out.
Wait a minute. Hold on, sir. I'm asking the court clerk to verify. Miss Edwards.
I'm trying to locate it, Your Honor. One moment.
Okay. See, I don't know if you're there or not. I don't know. It stepped away. That's for the 771, the civil infraction.
Yeah, that was no accident at all.
Hold on, sir. I don't need you to speak on the matter at this point.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Yes, I'm trying to verify what, I'm just reading what I have on my sheet. So she is looking at the actual information that's,
It say accident insufficient or defective lights, Your Honor.
okay, well, that's what the charge, sir, is. You have a right to a hearing on that if you're disputing whatever the charge is stating. But that is what I am stating today is what we have that was
Okay,
provided.
yeah, thank
Okay.
you. Yes,
So
ma'am.
So for everyone, I'm entering a plea of not guilty as to the arraignments. Did I call everyone? I think I called everyone and read their charges. Anyone not been called? Okay. So I'm entering a plea of not guilty as to all defendants' names that I've called and read charges on, and setting your matter for a pretrial date of April 19th, 2021 at 9:00 a.m. Now, as to the misdemeanors, I am.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, it's 8:30.
8:30 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay, 8:30 a.m., April 19th, 2021. That's a correction, 8:30 a.m.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
so as to the misdemeanors that I call, some were civil infractions, but as to the misdemeanors, the court is releasing everyone on a personal bond. That means you're not posting any money for these matters. But if you fail to appear for any future court appearances, and a warrant would be issued for your arrest. Does
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
understand that?
Judge.
Yes,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
Judge.
Wait a minute, hold on, ma'am. Hold on. Anyone not understand that?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Andrews, yes.
Yes. Is mine a misdemeanor or?
Ma'am, you have several matters here. I called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are all misdemeanors. They are all,
Okay, and
yes.
what did you say about misdemeanors?
That you're being arraigned on those today. You've been read your charge. I'm releasing everyone on a personal bond for each case. That means you're not posting any money, but if you fail to appear for any future scheduled court dates, a warrant would be issued for your arrest. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
Judge.
Okay. Any questions? Anyone have any questions at this time?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the attorney should have explained to you about the next court date, the pretrial, and so at that time you'll get further into your case with the attorney and the prosecutor in the case that issued the warrant. I mean, issued the cases. Hold on a second.
Pardon me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Will we
Who's
receive
speaking?
something?
Would you please say who's speaking?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Mohammed Ahmed.
Thank you. And what is your question, sir?
Will we receive something in the mail?
Yes,
to
you
have
will.
like
Your next
okay.
court date. Your next court date, but you should be writing it down anyway, because I gave it to you. I gave it to you for April 19th, 2021 at 8:30. So, but you will be receiving notice in the mail, but you do have it.
Thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Who
Okay.
else? Say your name. Say your name, please.
This is Sherry
Cornelia.
Allen speaking.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Two people are
Sherry
speaking.
Allen.
Okay, Miss Allen, you're breaking up a little bit, but yes.
I'm Sherry.
Yes.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Well, you're
Okay, I was just wondering if I'm supposed to.
Your Honor, if I could make a suggestion,
I'm breaking really badly.
Your Honor, because I think there's a lot of background and interference. Those who don't have questions, if you're ready to release them, and then
Okay,
I'll
yes.
stick around and if there's any
Okay.
questions
Yeah,
with anybody else.
if there's no well, those who have a question, just stay on. But if you don't have any further questions, you are free to disconnect. You just have a
Thank
good
you, Your Honor.
afternoon.
Have a good day.
You too, sir. Everyone that doesn't have any further questions can leave at this time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, so I still see everybody pretty much, but anyway, I guess they're disconnecting.
They're disconnecting, yes.
Okay, now, Miss Allen.
Yes.
Yes.
That's better.
Oh, thank you, Attorney Johnson. You know the system. This is all new to me, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Ms.
So,
Allen?
so my question is, am I even supposed to be on here? I received this in the mail, some tickets regarding a vehicle that was stolen out of our parking garage. I don't know how I've received tickets for that.
Well, yes.
I got a letter in the mail just stating that I was getting tickets for
Yes,
a
ma'am.
vehicle with no insurance.
Yes, it was your vehicle, is that, I mean, well, let's just put it like this. This is what has been issued to the court, given to the court. You have a right to defend against that. And that's what your next court date, you'll be able to get more into the situation. You will be able to tell the attorney that you speak to at the next hearing, at the next court date, I'm sorry. You can explain that to them then. Okay.
So I do need to go forward with this and come to court and stuff like that.
You need to appear for the next court date, because right now this is just the arraignment. This is what the charge is. The court does not issue charges. We are just telling you what has been issued against you. So at the next court date, there will be a defense attorney that you can speak to, as well as the prosecutor or the assistant corporation counsel, whoever issued this ticket. Okay.
Okay.
They have the authority. Okay, they would have the authority to dismiss or whatever if at that time what you're telling them is the facts. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You have a good.
You too, ma'am.
You too, Ms. Allen.
Thank you.
And Ms. Andrews.
Andrews? Ms. Andrews, unmute yourself.
I was wondering, this is Miss Andrews. I was wondering, what is the meeting ID and the password and my lawyer's telephone number?
Well, you will speak with an attorney when you come back to the next court date. So it may not be the same attorney you spoke with today, but that is the pretrial, and there will be a defense attorney there on that date for you to speak with, as well as the prosecutor would be present to talk about resolving the matter short of a trial. Okay.
And what is the meeting ID?
Ma'am, you'll get the information. Is that Miss Edwards? Is that correct? She will get that with her notice.
Yes.
Should be the same one as today, correct?
Yes.
Okay, my address and phone number has I have a mailing address.
Wait just a minute, ma'am. Hold on then. You need to call the courtroom and speak directly to the clerk so that she can take that information. I don't want you to give it over the Zoom. So just call the courtroom. Do you need the number, the phone number for the courtroom?
Yes, ma'am.
You ready?
Yes.
965-2405. So you need to give that information to the court clerk, okay?
Okay, what time do I call her?
Call right now and give her that information if your address or has changed or anything. So call her right now. When you hang up, you can disconnect from this and then call that number and speak with the court clerk.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Take care, Ms. Andrews.
Okay, is there anyone else? Well, she's still on. Somehow she's still appearing.
That's all, Your Honor.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to get her to disconnect. Did she disconnect?
I
Wait a minute.
have a question for the attorney.
I'm here, Ms. Andrews. Well, Your Honor,
Wait
do
a
you
minute,
want
wait a
to
minute.
stop the live?
No,
And I can
hold
just
on.
talk to her?
Well, yes, hold on a second. Hold on. Thank you.